couldn't be any happier with this. So I just taped this sheet on there and didn't fool with gauge pins or anything. Of course, the sheet's smaller than the full 8x12 chase size. So I made a second print just to double check how it would look off the paper onto the temp pin. And it just doesn't get much better than that, I don't think. That was the first. Well, I guess the temp pin was the second pull. And this was a I didn't want to go looking for any more furniture, and that little cut was sitting next to the imposing stone where I put this together at the house. I don't know if you can see it or not. There it is. And I shoved a little linotype slug in there too, and it turned out. I mean, I don't know how that could be any better. Just don't think it could. I'm gonna get it in focus. There we go. Just don't get any better than that.